Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of Microsoft Office Outlook. Now, Outlook is one of the programs that comes with the Microsoft Office suite, and it can be a little confusing as to how to get rid of it. But it's kind of a little out-of-the-way feature, but you can do it pretty easily. So go to your Start menu, go to your Control Panel, and depending upon how you have your display settings, your configuration for your interface, it might look different than mine, but find the Programs and Features option, and what that will do is bring up a list of everything that's installed on your computer. And what it'll do is it'll populate it with everything, and somewhere in there will be the Microsoft Outlook suite. And I've got mine right there, Microsoft Office Plus, right there. Let's go this one right here. So what you do is you select that and then go to Change. You might be tempted to uninstall it, but that would remove everything. You just want to change it. So click on Change. It'll bring up an interface. It'll populate it with the Office Suite stuff. It'll first give you this dialog here. Do you want to add or remove? What you want to do is you want to add or remove features. Go to that. And then it presents you here with everything that's installed already. And all you have to do is find Microsoft Office Outlook, select that, and go Not Available. And what that will do is you'll notice I'm going to change it back to run from my computer. You see this is how much space it required. You go Not Available, that number drops. That shows that it's going to delete it off your hard drive and free up that much space. Hit Continue and it will uninstall Microsoft Office Outlook and leave everything else there intact for you. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about how to get rid of Microsoft Office Outlook. Thanks for watching.